Hello everyone. In today's update, we will talk about the latest drop in Nvidia stock, what triggered the fall, what it means in the short term, and how long-term investor should approach this movement. The primary reason behind Nvidia's decline is a mix of geopolitical tension and macroeconomic pressure. The US announced new tariff targeting countries like Canada, India, Taiwan and other. At the same time, July's job report came in weaker than expected, raising concern about the US economic's strength. These developments shocked the entire tech sector and Nvidia saw a near 3.6% drop closing around 171. Now here what's the important, this drop is not due to any weakness in Nvidia's business. Fundamentally the company remaining strong. Their high demand AI chips like Blackwell and H20 continue to dominate the market. Major tech players like Amazon, Google, Meta, and heavily depend on Nvidia's GPU. In fact, Amazon recently announced plans for $60 billion in capital expenditure, largely for AI infrastructure, and Nvidia is a key supplier. So the business outlook remains solid over the long term. Now we will talk about uh, sentiment of investors. Morgan Stanley has raised its price target $200 and Loop Capital see it reaching $250, and Citi and Mizu continue to rate Nvidia as a buy. These firms believe that AI demand will remain strong beyond 2025 and that Nvidia will stay at the center of this ecosystem. In the short term, we can expect some market volatility. Nvidia is immediate support zone like around 160 165. If that holds, we may see a technical rebound. However, if it breaks, the next support may come around 150. For long-term investor, this correction could present an opportunity if your investment horizon in 2-3 years and you believe in the AI semiconductor and infrastructure growth story, then building a position during the dip could be a smart strategy move. The fall was triggered the external macro factors. Nvidia's fundamentals remain strong. The long-term growth story is still intact. Short-term cause is advised, but long-term investors might consider this a buy the dip opportunity. As always, align your decision with your risk appetite and investment horizon. If you found this analysis helpful, don't forget to this video, subscribe to the channel, uh, and let us know in the comments what's your move on Nvidia. Buy the dip, wait and watch, or exit compliment completely. I will see you in the next market update. Until then, invest wisely.